Hello friends, earlier I have made a video in which we converted decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal, etc. But that was for the whole numbers. In this video we are going to convert the floating point numbers, means the decimal point values into from decimal to binary. So here the first example I have taken 45.25, and we are going to convert this point value into binary form. So it is done in two parts. First, we have to convert the left part from the decimal point value, that is 45. We convert 45 into binary using the binary conversion method, and which is by dividing and collecting the remainders. Here we started dividing by 2, as we want to convert from decimal to binary, and in binary there are 2 digits, so we have to divide it by 2, and remainders are collected here. These are remainders, and from below we collect the remainders and make the binary form. But the point value is just opposite of it. It is multiplied by 2, and multiplying we try to end with the point value at 0, means we have to multiply that much time until the decimal part becomes 0. So here we multiplied first 0.25 by 2, and we get 0.50, and the left part of the decimal, it is collected from up to down. In the whole number it is collected from down to up, but in decimal point value it is collected from up to down. So we multiplied 0.25 with 2 and get 0.50, and the left part of the point is still 0. Next, the decimal part again multiplied by 2, and it gives 1.00, and thus the decimal part becomes 00. So we don't multiply it by 2 further, and now we collect the whole part of the multiplication. Here the first whole part is 0, the second whole part is 1, and now the 0.25 binary form of the 0.25 it becomes 0.01, and now collectively we can write 45.25 as the 45 the binary part of 45 and the binary part of 0.25, and we just concatenate them and write the values. So the binary form of 45 was 101101, 101101, and binary form of 0.25 was 0.01. So we added 0.01 into this value, and we get the point value of the means binary form of the decimal point value 45.25. In this manner we are again going to convert from decimal to octal. As we are going to convert from decimal to octal, so we have to divide the whole part by 8. So here we divide it by 8, and we get 55 for the whole part, and the point 0.25 means decimal value will be multiplied by 8 as we changing it octal form. So by multiplying 8 we get 2.00, and we see that the decimal part of it becomes 0 by multiplying only once. So we don't multiply with 8 further, and we get the binary for octal form of the 0.25 as 0.2. Now we concatenate both the values, that is the octal part of 45 and octal part of 0.25, and we get 55.2. In this manner again we will convert decimal to hexadecimal. Again we want to convert from decimal to hexadecimal, so we have to divide the whole part by 16, and dividing we get as the quotient as 2, but the remainder is 13. And in hexadecimal calculations, means hexadecimal system, the 13 is for D, as A is for 10, B is for 11, C is for 12, and D is for 13. So in place of 13 we can write D. And now in hexadecimal system, up to 9 it is digits, and after that six values are 6 digits are taken as the characters of alphabet. 6 alphabets are taken as the 6 more digits after 9. So we converted the 45 as hexadecimal form, so we can write here as 45, which is in decimal form, and it becomes hexadecimal form as 2D. It is hexadecimal form. And the point form, the decimal value, we to convert the decimal value into hexadecimal, we will multiply it by 16, and by one time multiplying we get 4.00, that is the decimal part becomes 00 on only multiplying once, so we don't multiply further. So the hexadecimal form of 0.25 becomes 4 as we take the digit before point, that is taken as the by hexadecimal form for the decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Now adding both part, we get the hexadecimal form of 45 is 2D, and the hexadecimal form of 0.25 is 0.4. Now so it is 45.25 as decimal, and as hexadecimal it becomes 2D.4. So I will give the link for the it's just previous video where we converted from the whole numbers of decimals into hexadecimal, binary, and octal, and you will learn both point and whole numbers uh, with ease. Okay, thank you.